almost everything that's done is going to create a sound. Those sounds really are what tells the guest a big story about what's going on in the server's heart. In one sense, it comes in threes. Okay? So one is enter. The other is serve. And the other is clean up. The very first part is pretty formal. You start pretty formal, severe. And then as you're serving and preparing, it becomes more informal, and questions occur, and banter, and conversation. Then it's time to put everything away. And if putting things away is important, then it becomes more formal again, because you show how you put things away carefully. 3 different kinds of conversations happen, both with the guest and with the utensils that are there.